Introducing the next generation of MBL's Palm Kernel Oil expeller machines, the latest EK Series. Engineered for efficiency, durability, sustainability, and easy maintenance, this cutting-edge machine is revolutionizing the palm kernel oil extraction process. Ban Lee's advanced system is built to maximize productivity. It works faster, smarter, reducing downtime and powering up output. The result? Amazing, giving you more oil in less time with less loss. With several models to choose from, each offering different capacities, you can tailor your investment to suit your specific production needs. With durable stainless steel construction and ease of use, this machine is designed for long-term, low-maintenance operation, keeping your oil extraction smooth and hassle-free. Whether you're scaling up your production or upgrading your operation, Ban Lee's EK Series Palm Kernel Oil Expeller is your perfect partner for the future of palm kernel oil extraction. What are you waiting for? Contact MBL now.